squad. If you couldn't tell, we're doing a fashion video today. And also, sorry, but the title was clickbait. I basically was inspired by this whole premise that was like, you know, what would you do if your whole wardrobe was gone and how would you rebuild it? And then that kind of just shows you what your essentials are. Obviously, if you don't know me in real life, I love fashion. I actually made this belt. I just wanted to show my Erin essentials, and you might be able to tell I love free people. I'm kind of a goat at thrifting free people, not to brag. I'd say I don't really collect many basics. I like a lot of statement pieces. I would show accessories, but all my accessories have either been gifted or I've like thrifted them traveling. So those are kind of hard to like recreate. So if I were to actually lose all my jewelry, which and accessories, like, nah, that would take years to collect back. Yeah, first, this was like my first thrifted leather jacket. I used to live in like the Midwest, so this one kept me warm in the winter. But yeah, super oversized as you could tell. Second would be this like 70s brown jacket. Really cute, it has some like contrast stitching. Kind of graphic tops. This is one of my favorite thrift finds. I wear it a lot. I love camping and stuff. It's a good camping top because it crumples up super thin. It says La Maison. I don't know. There's some French on it. It has two different graphics in the front and back. Sometimes I wear the back in the front because I like this graphic more for certain outfits. And I have this. This one I got off of Depop. It's by the brand Angel Blue, which I think is like Japanese kid brand, but it's cute as a baby tee. Literally a baby tee. I just love the graphics on it. It has a cute little patch on the sleeve and even a graphic in the back. This one is Looney Tunes baseball tee. It's oversized. I like pairing it with a ruffly skirt, or I've worn it a couple times with this Free People dress. I just like pair it together. I like mismatching feminine and masculine a lot, or I just don't like to be too dainty. I mean, my outfit right now says otherwise, but like, this is a pretty frilly, girly skirt, so I just paired it with this plain ribbed tank from Justice, from literally like when I was in elementary school. You can probably tell by the pit stains that it's been around for a while, but this is another basic that I would repurchase. Next, I do own a lot of Harley Davidson pieces because I used to live in a town that was known for Harley Davidson. So this, it's kind of like a baby tee fit almost. It's a button up. It has awesome like contrast stitching with the Harley Davidson logo embroidered onto the front and back. So it wouldn't be an Erin haul without Free People tanks or camis. Really cute, it has some like ruching on the side. It looks better. Another gray cami, but a little different. What I'm saying is like these basics aren't really basic. They're basic in color, but they all vary in texture and shapes. And then I would probably repurchase some sort of knit, like short sleeve cardigan. Plus, living in California, it gets hot wearing something knitted, unless it's the winter. There's like some beads weaved into the knit. I've paired this with long dad-esque cargo shorts. This one I get a lot of wear out of. I like even this like small little detailing in the back. But like, love the lace top, and it has this high-low moment. Then I would definitely try to repurchase this again. I see it everywhere, I feel like, on Poshmark and Depop. Except I got this IRL thrifting. It's fun to layer, like you can wear like sweaters over it, cardigans, oversized tops. But there are a lot of times where I just put a top over it and then kind of treat the frilly ruffle at the bottom like a skirt. I just showed you this, but another Free People moment. I like how comfy it is on the top. And then I just like how it kind of looks athletic almost, and then at the end there's some lace detailing. And then finally, I love this. This is one of my favorite, I'm probably gonna say this a lot, but it's one of my favorite thrifted pieces. I don't know if you guys know this brand, but Desigual, it goes for like hundreds off secondhand websites. I like how this V-neck sits well and it's like tight fitting at the top. It's a nice almost A-line cut. I'll insert a picture of me styling it. But I just like how unique it is, and it's just a statement piece, so it's perfect by itself. That's honestly what I struggle with. I have this weird thing with dresses where it's like I don't really want to wear a dress because I feel like I'm cheating, because it's like, oh, I'm not technically styling a top and bottom. I don't know, that's just me. Okay, obviously I'm filming outside, so I'm hoping the audio is okay. I'm gonna try to project. Sorry that my videos have been really poor quality. I don't have a mic, as you could tell, and I like being outside, so it doesn't really go well together. Anyways, I have a bucket full of my go-to skirts and shorts and jeans that I'm gonna show y'all. It's like a magic hat I'm gonna pull out of it. It's like, oh my god. Anyways, first, this micro mini skirt, love it. I love how it has these huge belt loops. I like how wide the belt loops are because of the belts I own. I have some chunky belts and it's rare that I could fit them through. I usually just wear them on top of my bottoms, but I'll show you an outfit that I've worn recently that shows my chunky belt and it actually fits, which is nice. I'm just gonna toss it on the floor, is that weird? Then I got this Guess jeans America Core mini skirt. This one's high-waisted, but I just like it. It gives off Free People vibes, or just kind of like Lana Del Rey, or it could be kind of grungy. I have this cute little red grommet belt that I like to wear it with because it matches the contrast stitching. This red contrast stitching, and then I also just love how it has this brown thick contrast stitching with it. This is what I was talking about earlier that I'd pair with that short sleeve cardigan. Literally my dad owns these shorts, but I like how it has this little key loop. I like to hang my keys on there, it's convenient. I wear this climbing a lot just because they're baggy and comfy. Obviously, you gotta have some plain denim shorts. These are kind of mid-rise. These were actually jeans I bought off Depop, but it was kind of big on the hips. I didn't have enough hips for it, so I just cut them into shorts. Okay, now we're gonna do all my plaid and gingham because, oh my god, if you couldn't tell, I like this print. This is kind of giving Catholic school core. But I like it. I like the ruffle detail. It's J. Crew. I like the material. I think it's all cotton. That's the one thing I like about thrifting, is that you can thrift all cotton, because nowadays everything's made out of plastic. And I like to pair them with my docs. And of course I'd purchase some plaid shorts, because I love me a plaid short. This one has more of a baggy fit, but also I like this one. It's like high-waisted and tight fitting. And it's kind of giving mod, maybe like 60, but it can also give 70s maybe. I don't know what I'm saying. And then this is the long skirt version of that. I do post on Pinterest, and a lot of people have commented that they love this skirt and they always ask where it's from. It's the Sandy Liang collab with Target. I like how it has this exposed zipper detailing, and it's like a good bold contrast. I like how it's asymmetrical in the way that patterns don't really line up together, and it's just varying sizes of gingham. I also just really love the fit because it's tight fitting here and then it kind of just ruffles out. I'll repurchase. I wear this so much, especially climbing and in the winter, but just camo pants. But these specifically I love. I love the detailing. 100% cotton, but yeah, I just love the detailing on it. The patches, super cute. It's the perfect length. I think there were maybe boys pants, which are the perfect length for me because I'm short. Next, maybe this is the only thing in this video that I haven't thrifted, but I got it from the outlet. It's just some classic Levi's 501 jeans. I got this from the men's section, and they're size 30, so they could fit more low rise. Although it does kind of bunch up, which is annoying. But yes, I just love them. They're classic. The button fly. Super comfy. They break in real nice. Good for road trips or just traveling, so you don't have to wash them that much. Oh my god, I love this find. I think I got it from a Buffalo Exchange. They're the Hysteric Glamour or Hysteric brand, and it has just some awesome red stitch detailing. You could see the little Hysteric tag probably, I don't know. They fit flared. Love it. You can tell they're vintage because I low-key ripped a hole in the butt, and I did ask my mom to resew it, so thank God she reinforced it for me. These, oh my god, I wear them like they're sweatpants. They're so comfy once you break them in. I thrifted these in the middle of nowhere. There's some Carhartts. They're size 30 again. You can wear them low-waisted. I love all the carpenter pockets and the carpenter hook. Obviously I'm short, so that's why it has the raw hem at the bottom. I also like wearing them outdoor bouldering because then the rocks don't scratch you up. Next thing I would repurchase, it's actually 100% silk, which is cool. I didn't know that. Got it off of Depop. It's from the Limited brand. But yeah, I would repurchase something like this or something floral. I am a boot person. I'm actually wearing these shoes right now, but these didn't make the cut, but they're honorary just because they're so new. They're the Durango brand. I got them off of Poshmark. I love the pointed toe. It's all leather. It's a nice summer shoe because, girl, I don't want to be wearing socks. These are honorary, but some classic essentials that I would repurchase. These were gifted to me for my birthday a couple years ago. They're Doc Martens. They're soft now. It took a while to break in, but I just love it. Has an embossed skull on them. It has this red contrast lace like eyelets. It has some studs on them, and then obviously the embroidered flowers, just everything. It's a perfect grungy boot. It was limited edition, so it'd be kind of hard to repurchase, but in an ideal world I would get all the things I want back. And then I also got these off of Poshmark. They're Harley Davidson brand, and it has just cool studs on them. Super cute. They came distressed like this, and what I love about it is that the hardware is real metal. Like, it actually has some weight to it. It's not fake. I just love little details like that. And then I would just repurchase good old black Converse. The shoes I'm showing you are like this suede material. It originally came with green laces that matched the green detailing on the back, but I accidentally snapped those when I was longboarding because they got untied and then I rolled over them and they snapped. Thank God I didn't die and they did snap. And then obviously my Doc Marten Mary Janes, I wear those all the time. They're slip-ons, which makes them so easy to just put on, and it just elevates any look. And even just pairing them with cargo shorts, just like that weird juxtaposition that we've seen, kind of like that Tyler Creator-esque vibe. Okay, sorry, I'm editing and I realized I forgot to mention two shoes. I would also repurchase Chacos because I love them so much. I should be an ambassador. And I know we're not being realistic in terms of what I'd repurchase for outdoorsy stuff, but I just wear them all the time. I literally wear them whenever I go climbing. They're just the perfect slip-on shoe. You can hike with them. They're so versatile. Then I would also repurchase knee-high boots, like the ones that you saw. Those I literally stole from my mom. I feel like a shoe can literally change a whole outfit's vibe. But yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.